Umami is the backbone of our cooking. My name is Meng. I'm half of Tata Eatery. The biggest influence in our food, they are Spanish, Japanese, a bit Chinese, a little bit Portuguese. Umami, the first time I heard about it was, I think, in the very early stage of cooking. But I didn't really, because it's a Japanese word, I didn't really know what exactly that was. But obviously we have this similar term in Chinese as well. And so as soon as I did some research, I realized, okay, so umami is this, we call it xian. So the character is half is a fish, the other half is lamb. And that's basically umami. So I'm very familiar with this term. For me, it's all about full-on flavor. You just want to go back to it and to finish the dish. Well, obviously we use a lot of dashi, and our dashi basically it's I would say maybe 80% of our dishes. It contains dashi in it, and I like the idea of mixing always a bit surf and turf together, meat and fish together, as in our stock. For example, this week we have 2 white stock. One is pork. Oh, and then we make dashi separately, which is just a traditional Japanese way, kombu, shiitake, and the bonito flakes. Then we add them two together. That's one way of doing it. And we use this stock, season a lot of things. We cook vegetables in this stock. We cook fish with this stock. The next one will be, for example, things like tomato, Parmesan cheese. This one is Iberico pork. We put this into a dry aging bag and dry age for a further 2 weeks. And after that, we smoke it. Next, so this is, again, this is Iberico pork, but this is the most used cut in our kitchen because that is the cut for the Katsu Sando. The name of this cut called cabezada. You can see it got a few different muscles, and the fat content's also great in this particular cut. And this is why when you bite into the katsu sandwich, it gives you this sensation of burst of liquid because of the fat contents. And it's not too lean, and it's not too fatty, and to me that is my favorite cut for sandwich. So here, to begin with, there's 2 slices of toast and butter. So this is just a normal unsalted butter, but we mix it with roasted chicken fat, so give another layer of complexity. The toast itself is brioche. Now this sauce right here, it have a few components in it. So first one is the kimchi marinade. The other part, the raspberry jam mixed with tonkatsu sauce. Now this is just some white cabbage, and we're gonna put some freshly shaved onions on top, meat on. Here it is, katsu sandwich. Umami is a fundamental in our cooking. Without umami, I'm not happy with the dish.